How to get traffic and make money with Groove CRM using YouTube. What's up, everybody? My name is James Jernigan, and in this quick tutorial, I'm about to show you step by step how to start getting a ton of traffic and how to convert that traffic into sales so that you can start making money using your GrooveFunnels account and YouTube. I'm talking about video marketing. So let me break down exactly what that looks like here. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you all of the details and be completely transparent and show you how you could potentially do this for yourself. I say potentially because I have to warn you, the average person fails and makes nothing when they try to make money online. Now keep in mind the average person also does nothing, but you know what they say, causation does not necessarily equal correlation. So take that for what it's worth. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot guarantee you will get the same results. But if we take a look at my Google Analytics here, this is the past year, April 19th, 2021 through April 19th, 2022. And you can see here I got 38,873 users to this particular website with an average session duration of 51 seconds, so almost a minute. Now, if we take a closer look at where this traffic is coming from, you'll see that 18,530 of these users came directly to my website. Now, I said we're going to be using YouTube and video marketing, and this is important to understand here. So direct means that somebody typed the website into their URL or clicked a bookmark or something like that. Now, we also have social here, TikTok and Facebook and other channels accounting for a significant portion of the traffic. Then we have referrals, and we have organic search, which is relatively low compared to the video marketing, which is the majority of where these are coming from, and the social media marketing. But it's important that we take note of all of this. So what exactly does 38,000, almost 40,000 website visitors translate to when it comes to money? Well, let's take a look at this. This is my website, howtorank.com, where these 38,000 people came. And as you can see, it's a sales page for a course on how to get free traffic on Google. Now, don't worry, this is not a pitch to get you to sign up for my course. I'm just trying to give you the full context here so you can understand exactly what's happening. So in the sense of being transparent here are the sales from this website, again, for the past year. This doesn't include sales this year. This is just last year, what I made. Now, what's important to keep in mind is this is from about a week's worth of work. It took me about a week to both record the videos for this course, create the course, make the website live, and essentially start driving traffic and rankings to this site. So you can see that net profit, $5,527 over the past year for something that took me about a week to create. So in 1 week, I was able to generate this much money. Now, it did take a year for this to come in, but keep in mind this is only one website of many. So here's what Google Search Console Analytics looks for. So what this is to further break this down, here we have organic search. This is 1,460 here. So that's what we're looking at here in Google Analytics. The numbers are very close here, and you can see that this website got 80,000 impressions in Google search alone from using the techniques I'm going to show you here. But don't worry, you don't have to build your own course to get this kind of passive income coming in from a project that takes you 1 week to do. I've actually got a list here of all the links that I use, or most of the links I use, to make money. These are different tools that I use. I use most of these tools. There's a couple of them on here I might have stopped using, but for the most part, these are the tools that I use both to get my work done as well as to make money. These are called affiliate links, and you can make money by sharing these links with other people. If they buy these products through your link, you make money. And if you want a copy of this list of money-making tools, click the link right below this video. And here it is. If you click this button, the link will take you to howtorank.com/links. Click this button, website ranking tools, and you will get my list of money-making tools that you can both use to do what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, as well as promote these tools to earn passive income of your own. So, like I said, this income, and this traffic is coming to only one website. I have about 20 or so promoting a variety of these different tools, as well as my own products, as well as stuff for friends. And I used to deal with clients. I don't anymore. But here's another example. Okay, this is my blog, one of them, hustlemarketing.com, where again I promote these money making links. And you can see that after applying what I learned, I took what I applied. When I created this course, this is what got me to this 79,000 impressions and 38,000 clicks on my website. And just to do the quick math on that, about 39,000 users made about $5,500. So that's about 14 or 15 cents profit per website visitor, right? So for everyone that comes to my website, they're worth about 14 or 15 cents to me. And I got these using what I teach in this course. Now, since then, what I've done is taken that and applied even more of these tools, right? Because when I made this course shows you how to get all of this traffic for free without using any paid tools. That's how I got this traffic, these almost 40,000 visitors to my site. Now, what I started doing was using the paid tools. Once I started making money from not only the course, but the different affiliate links and the services I was doing, I started using more paid tools. And since then, I've been able to generate over 1 million impressions to this website, and again, almost 3,000 clicks, and this is just from Google alone. There's more traffic coming in from social media and other stuff like that. But again, so now let's jump into what does that look like? How do you use GrooveFunnels and YouTube to get these kind of results? Well, like I said, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab this list of tools, because the first tool you're going to need is Shine Ranker here. This is an SEO tool. It's a keyword research tool. It does a lot more than keyword research, but for right now, to keep this tutorial moving and to keep it simple so that you can understand and actually take action, I'll show you exactly how this works. So this is going to generate keywords and show us how much traffic they get for a particular term. So let's say if we want to look at my money making links here, and let's say we wanted to promote one of these, let's say GrooveFunnels. Here's my GrooveFunnels link, right? And I can even copy my GrooveFunnels affiliate link very easily from this spreadsheet. So if we want to promote GrooveFunnels, we would put into the tool something like website builder, maybe sales funnel, and maybe sales tracking, right? That's a broad sense of what GrooveFunnels is about. So we'll give this tool just a second, and what this is going to show us is what people are actually searching, because those words I just typed in are how I would find a tool like this, but that doesn't mean everybody else is searching the same way. So we get some cool data from this tool here. We can see the keywords obviously here, but we can see how many monthly searches each one of these keywords gets on Google. We can also see the average cost per click right here. So this keyword website builder gets searched 90,000 times, 90,500 times every single month in Google search. So if you were to run an ad on this term website builder, you'd be paying an average of $22.75 a click. So you could start to see how this traffic here, getting 1 million impressions and 2.9 thousand clicks for free, you can start to see just how valuable that is. But what's even more valuable is what you could do with this tool. So say we want to sort by monthly searches and see which ones get the most. We can switch this to show us more entries. We could scroll down, and these are all showing hard. Here we have some medium ones at the bottom, but that's okay. If we just continue to click through here, now we're getting some that are showing up green as easy. So we'll just refresh the difficulty there. There were a few that weren't pulled in there, but here we can see Wix website maker gets searched 880 times a month, but it's easy, and there's less than 10 other websites that have this keyword in the title. Now this is very important. So let's take a look at a few more of these keywords. We've got some more easy ones down here. Best free e-commerce website builder. That is a great one for promoting GrooveFunnels. So literally we could just copy this keyword here, and I'll show you the next thing to do. The next thing you want to do is create a YouTube video. So here, as you can see, this is the past year of my YouTube channel, and it has got 166,000 views with 8.2 1,000 hours of watch time. So if we click on engagement, you can see that that translates to an average of almost 3 minutes per person that clicks on one of my videos. So everyone that clicks on one of my videos, I have their attention for approximately 3 minutes and can pitch them a call to action of going to my website or buying one of my products. So you can see how this traffic just kind of compounds. And on top of that, so does the income, because I've made an additional almost $1,500 in ad revenue just from work I've done in the past from creating these videos, which take, as the one you're watching right now, takes me, maybe 30 minutes or an hour to create. Maybe double that if you want to include editing or rearranging the clips on my phone, which I rarely do. I normally just shoot these live. I like to be upfront and transparent and just show you guys what I'm working on. So that's what we're doing here. Now, to stay on track here, we've got our keyword, best free e-commerce website builder. So the next thing you want to do is create a video. If you don't want to show your face, you could do like I'm doing now, do a screen recording. Inside my course, I actually show you exactly how to use tools to, in the current version, I show you how to use free tools to create videos using stock footage that you can upload and start getting traffic for. I'm redoing my course shortly, again, like I said, to show you how to use these paid tools to get even better results. And as I redo the course, I'm going to show you how to use AI, actually artificial intelligence, to create not one or two, but hundreds of videos and upload them to your channel automatically on a schedule. But regardless of how you do it, the first thing you want to do is create a YouTube video and optimize it. So if we come here to content, I'm sure I have a video about GrooveFunnels posted recently. Here we go. Here's a couple of them. So we'll just take this one. Now I need to copy the link. Let me just click on it here. So we will copy this link, and the next thing we're going to do is head on over here to GrooveFunnels. So there's a couple of ways you could do this here in GrooveFunnels. You can use Groove Pages, which is a website builder, or Groove Blog, which is a blog builder. Both of them are a website. It just depends on which one you want to do. We will keep this simple, and we will come here to Groove Blog. So what I'm going to do is click on my website here, Hustle Marketing. This is again the one that got 1 million impressions and 3,000 clicks over the past 365 days. So I will just click on the posts here. Again, I'm doing this all live in front of you so you can see exactly how this works. So we'll open up a new post here, and the very first thing I'm going to do is put this video, whoops, click the wrong button. Going a little, no I didn't, there we go. So external URL, we will paste the video link in here, and we'll title the video GrooveFunnels CRO. There we go. So now we're putting the video into this blog post. We'll select it, there we go. Now the video is in the blog. Now the next thing we need to do is grab our keyword here, copy that, and you're going to want to put this in the title of the blog post. Whoops, that didn't play nice with the. Give me just a second. I don't know why I pasted that pink background in there, but should be fine now. There we go. Best free e-commerce website builder. So you might want to add a little bit to that. Best free e-commerce website builder for beginners in 2022, right? That's a good regular keyword and then long tail keyword as well. So the next thing you're going to want to do is copy that and put that. You're going to want to make that your H1 as well, because that's a best practice. When Google crawlbots come by and they find your website and they decide whether they want to index it in search results, the very first thing they look at is the title up here. The very next thing they're going to look at is your H1. So by making these match and by making them both have your exact keyword in there, that's going to go a long way towards ranking your website on Google. So the next thing you would do here is just type your blog post, again using your keywords. So if you're looking for the best free e-commerce website builder, search no more, right? And then you would go on to type your blog post, again using this keyword frequently. You don't want to necessarily overdo it and put it 1,000 times, but You want to write as much as possible, include details, maybe about competitors, about similar topics. And like I said, what I usually do is use AI, artificial intelligence, and I have a couple of these linked here. Here's one AI copywriting robot called Conversion AI, and here's another one called Copywriter. If you want to check those out, again, they are linked down below here on this howtorank.com/links, website ranking tools. And then you can use AI to write these posts for you. I have other videos here on my channel that show you exactly how to use the AI bots. And like I said, when I redo my How to Rank training, I'm going to be showing you how to use all of these money-making tools in the training. And the price will be going up, but the good news is if you buy the old version, the current version now, where I show you how to create a lead generation website, in this version I showed you how to create I did a demonstration and created a locksmith website to generate leads for a locksmith business. But the concepts are the same. They're the same concepts I use to actually get traffic to this course, How to Rank. They're the same concepts I use to get traffic to my hustle marketing blog here. It's all the same, and you can really use this to sell anything. And I think the easiest way, rather than selling services and having to do work for other people all the time, I think the easiest way is to promote affiliate offers, which is again why I have about 20 different websites promoting these different links here, and why I'm just giving them to you to promote as well, so that you don't have to spend a year like I did, spending hours and hours of your time creating projects for clients that once they give you the money and you give them the project, they then use that to accumulate all of this traffic. So you do the hard work for the first few months, then you hand off the project to the client, and then boom, they're getting all of this traffic. So what I wanted to do was keep these for as long as possible, so that when this graph continues to go up and up in the future, I'm getting more traffic to the links that make me money. And I think you could do the same. So anyways, that's what you want to do. Optimize your videos on YouTube. Here, as you can see, I have this keyword here in the title. I have it at the top of the description. That is essentially the H1 here. Then I have it again down throughout the content. So we'll do the same here in this blog, whether we type it ourselves or whether we use AI to do it automatically. That's what it's going to end up doing. The last thing you'll do is click here on this settings button. We'll set our featured image, and then we'll set a category here. I'll put this in the GrooveFunnels category, the Make Money Online category, social media marketing, YouTube marketing. You get the idea. So then down here, we'll add our keywords. Again, best free e-commerce website builder for beginners. And that's essentially it. We'll paste an excerpt in here, and then we will click publish, and it really is that simple. So now our blog is live, our YouTube video is live. What's the next step? Well, if we look at these analytics, you could see that a significant portion of the traffic is coming from social media. And again, some of these direct visitors might be coming from social, some of them might be coming from YouTube, they might be coming from TikTok. This is coming from people who have seen my content or heard about me somewhere, and then went to the URL bar and typed in my website. So the way you get that happening, once you have your YouTube video posted, once you have your blog posted, is you're going to come over to social media. Oops, let me get a new one here so I can try and draw out what I'm talking about. So the next thing you're going to do is come over to social media, right? And you're going to come to Facebook, and you're going to post a link to your YouTube video, and then you're going to post a link to your blog on Facebook, and then you're going to do the same thing, put an F here for Facebook. So then you're going to come over here to Twitter, and you're going to post a link to your blog on Twitter. You're going to post a link to your YouTube video on Twitter, and then you might do the same thing on Instagram, right? You're going to be posting these links here. And then what you want to do after that is take your Facebook post that you have about your awesome YouTube video or about your awesome blog post, and then you want to share that over to Twitter. Then you might take the Twitter post about your awesome Facebook post, and you will share that over to Instagram. And so what happens is, over time, here's what this looks like. You have your website at the top that makes you money, right? We'll put a little $ in here for our money site. So then we have YouTube over here. This is our YouTube channel, and it's linked to our website. And over time, we add more and more relevant videos to our YouTube channel. So it's going to start getting bigger. And then we have our Facebook account, right? And the same thing is happening with our Facebook account. Over time, it's getting bigger. And the same is happening with Twitter. And the same is happening with our blog. And the more content we create on each one of these platforms, the more links we want to create, not only from these social media platforms to our money site, but we want to create more links. We want to link these together, and we want to create even more links from what are called Web 2.0 sites. And these are going to be like the smaller social networks, like maybe Tumblr, or there's a million of them out there. Social sharing sites, blog sites, whatever it is. And so eventually you'll create this web of links. That way, when people are surfing along on the internet, the more of this content you have out here, the more likely it is they're going to surf past, be interested in it, come into your social media account, realize you have something to sell, come to your website, buy it, and then make you money, to the tune of, for me, in my first year selling a digital product, just one digital product that I created in one weekend made me $5,500 the last year. Like I said, I have a whole list of them here. I'm going to give it to you for free. Just click the link down below this video. You can copy this list. You could subscribe to my YouTube channel and get all the other tutorials I make for free. If you're interested in having a lifetime access to the most coherent explanation I can give to how all of this works, then head over to howtorank.com. Grab the current version of my course now. It's a 7-day video training. So over the course of 7 days, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from starting with an idea to finding the keywords for your idea to analyzing the current competitors that are ranking and getting the traffic, to then how to get some of the traffic away from them to your website, how to scale it and get even more traffic. Like I said, I'm currently showing you how to do this using all free tools without having to pay for anything in addition to the course. Soon the price is going to go up, and that's because I want to weed out the people who are not taking this seriously, and I want to show people who are serious how to use these paid tools to get even better results. Like I said, to the tune of millions of impressions, thousands of clicks, and thousands of dollars on your website. So if you grab the course now for the current price, you'll keep lifetime access. So when I redo it and put the new version out, you will already have access. If you wait, then you'll have to pay, I don't know how much it's going up for sure yet, but it will be more than double the cost. So now is the time to grab it if all of this made sense to you and you want to take action on it. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, one more thing I want to add. If you do, by chance, want to create a course of your own, if you go to groovesetup.com, I actually have another mini course. It's like just a couple hours long that'll show you how to go from never even hearing about GrooveFunnels before to logging in, setting up your account, setting up your course so that people can start sending you money for videos that you recorded in 1 week, showing them how to do that one particular thing that you know how to do really well. And for me, that is just really ringing out these social media websites and getting as much free traffic as I can to my websites and my blogs and my social media accounts and my YouTube videos. So I hope this helps. If it did, make sure you subscribe so you see the videos I put out in the future. And other than that, I can't wait to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and take it easy, everybody.